ngesikhathi niskora kuba 1-1 niyahamba niyopaka ibhasi ucoach afake okhona ebhentsini mhlawumbe uyi-defense nani ukuphumuza nipaka ibhasi nenze sure ukuthi i-Chiefs ayikori uma ngabe benilifuna at least 1 point.
Hayi futhi magesi mina ngiyayixolela tired mfana tired and ubona bayakwazi ukulimaka and mase belitholile abazi bazolenzana
Akazi umuntu
akazi ukuthi kuzophasela abantu even ama players wakho awakwazi ukuphuma ema spacini ethi ngiphasele uvele kube i-Chiefs vele kuvalele
surround abadlali abawu5 uphethe
awazi uzolenzana
angeke wenze even noma nje uref ingeze up until 120 minutes bekuzoba nepossibility ukuthi kukore i-Chiefs of imagesi.
But nje actually this was a boring game.
Bekuyindavundavu
ila kulemala khona ama players.
Yeah, at least ngo 80 minutes after
besimnandi ke
ama substitute
sikorile futhi Chiefs
Osirino bangena nani abakhona ama pass aphilayo ukukhombisa ukuthi abadlali mfethu udlala kwi-Premier Soccer League. Hluleka ipass ibhola lisuke la lifike kumuntu ngqe
bhutu nje awubona ukuthi yipi ithi ne-Chiefs mayikora awusho ukuthi ubungenalo ithemba ukuthi siyakora iyakora ubona selikhala phakathi
ukuthi goal manje.